So you might be in a situation where for some reason Spotify is just missing some features. So Spotify is a very popular application. I'm sure most of you have probably seen this type of app. And you might be seeing that it's missing out on some really cool features that just came out. So if you're trying to go and kind of do this, the first thing I'd recommend doing here is to go through and try updating your Spotify application. For a lot of people out there, if you just update the Spotify app, that can probably end up fixing the problem for a lot of different people. So make your way over into your Spotify, go inside of basically your app store. So go inside of your app store like this, and go ahead and search for the Spotify application and just update your Spotify app. For a lot of people, if you just go and update the Spotify app, that can probably end up fixing the problem for you. And that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. So try going through, try updating the Spotify app, and that is easily one of the most important things I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. Now, another thing I'd recommend doing here too is to probably go through, if that's not working, try to understand that a lot of these types of features that are coming out are only coming out in like a rolling basis. They might not be available for your phone yet or for your area yet, so you might just have to wait it out until you get that feature, and that could be another thing you might have to look into as well. If that's still not working, try restarting your phone and try updating Spotify again, but those are kind of the main ways to go and fix the problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.